Hello and welcome to the section on two-way communications, enabling server to send data back to client. Why we need two-way communications? Consider our old design. Over here we have a server, the red server with the message loop, and the client, which is a telnet client, and the telnet client can send messages M, B, and so on, and each of these is interpreted as a command. So as we have seen before, these messages are all one way. That means it only goes from the client to the server, and the server does not reply to the client at all. However, it is important for a server to be able to feedback data to the client. For example, if the client wanted the server to find out something about the machine, or wanted the machine to perform some action and wanted some confirmation, then it is important for the server to respond to the client by sending back the data. For example, if we have a new command H, whatever that H might be, and that H is supposed to perform some kind of task on the server. So after the client sends the command H, the server would perform the task, but the client would not know the outcome of the task. So this is a design flaw in the existing design that we are currently using. So how can we improve on this? To improve on this, we can implement two-way communication. That means the client can send data to the server, and the server can also respond with some data back to the client. So the blue arrow here indicates the server sending back some kind of data back to the client. Two-way communications red. So this would be our new design for our next upcoming project. We are going to implement the same messaging command M, which means message, B for beeping sound, and we are going to change our quit message to become S, shutdown, for greater clarity. And then we are going to introduce a new command called H, that means help. For example, if the client user wanted to get some help on the commands that are available on the server, so the client can send a command H, which means request for the command menu. So the server should be able to do whatever it needs to do, and then it will need to respond back to the client, sending back the command menu. So this is what we are going to implement in our next project. So that's all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson video where we are going to implement this new design. Thank you for watching.